I'm Jody Smith, and I'm an advanced environmental engineer. In the environmental department, we take care of all of the environmental compliance reports that we have to do or information that we have to provide that are legally required. Then we also spend a lot of time trying to reduce the environmental impact of our facility here. My interest in environmental engineering probably started in middle school or high school. I always liked math, of course, so right away I kind of was thinking about engineering, but more than just math, I also liked solving problems and doing puzzles or figuring the best solution out to things, so it kind of led me to engineering. And then environmental was really the icing on the cake when I could choose environmental engineering, because I always liked the outdoors. I liked to camp and backpack or just be out in nature. So when I saw that was a career option, environmental engineering, it kind of put the best of both worlds together. Environmental is one priority among a lot of other priorities. So in order to actually have an impact and reduce our environmental footprint, it takes the effort of everyone, not just the environmental department, but every associate, section leader, manager, everyone. It's so big and there's so many departments that my department gets to interact with, that we work with production engineering department, maintenance departments, facilities departments. We get to meet a lot of new people and it keeps it fun.